Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Leilani Love. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start right with it. Subscribe to my channel now so you can see all these dope videos, okay, of me and my hair and my makeup videos, fashion, all of that. But yes, guys, today we're gonna be doing a glitter cut crease. Yeah, let's get into it. I know you're ready. Get your supplies, get your makeup box, whatever. Get your stuff ready. Let's get into it, okay? All right, so y'all already know. Start with moisturizing your face. Mario Badescu, Aloe, Chamomile, Lavender. You wanna let that stay over there. Okay, lotion, whatever you wanna use. I'm using Soft Focus Glow Drops, Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer. Just gonna take a few drops of this because I wanna be glowy. So I did this blue look before, but I did not record it. Okay, I didn't record it. So this time I'm doing the glitter and everything like that. So I just wanted to make a video for you guys so you can follow along and see my process because I just love doing this for you guys. So yeah. Yes, look how juicy that skin is looking. This is what we want, guys. We want hydration. No, I'm not saying you have to look sweaty, but I'm just saying hydrate your skin. Even if you have dry skin or oily skin, the key is to making sure it's hydrated. If your face is hydrated, it won't produce as much oil. So some people have oily skin because their skin is overproducing oil because it's not getting enough hydration. So it's producing the oil to put the moisture back in. So it's a defense mechanism basically. So yeah, you have to hydrate your skin even if it is oily or dry. That's the key to it all. Good skincare regimen, you can't go wrong. All right, now I'm gonna go in with this NK Auto Liner. I'm gonna fill in my brows, and yeah, this is like I don't have the ABH, which is like my favorite, so I kind of got to stick with this for right now, but it does the same job. And I do like to use brown as opposed to black, just because it makes the eyebrow a little bit softer. Somebody that has always had thick eyebrows like myself, I appreciate a soft brow. All right, now I'm taking the Unique Touch, whatever color this is. This is Chenille. It's bad tiny. My flat angle brush, and I'm going in and you know, outline my brows and use that also as my eyeshadow primer. You may be saying to yourself, Leilani, why do you have all that powder in your face? Is she crazy? No. When I've learned by, what do you call that? Trial and error, doing colorful looks and glitter looks, please apply a massive amounts of powder under your eye so that it does not stick. So you would hate to have such a nice skin and have glitter showing through the skin when a person doesn't want glitter, or having blue and lime green down here and you try to wipe it off and it still mixes into your makeup. Trust me, set your under eyes, let them bake, whatever you want to call it. Definitely put some powder under here, guys. It's gonna save you later. Trust me, it might look crazy right now, but it's gonna save us. All right, so I'm gonna go in with my smoky palette. I definitely want my eyes to be smoky, my cut crease. So I'm just gonna use kind of neutral colors, and the pop is gonna come from the blue shimmer that I add, and of course the glitter. But I am priming my eye. I've already primed my eye. I use concealer to do my base, and then I set it with setting powder, and now I'm just going over and giving myself an all over solid color that is close to my skin complexion, which is like this orangey color. And then I'm gonna go in and deepen my crease with a darker brown, and then I'm gonna go straight in with my cut and add my glitter. All right, so I got my creases pretty evenly blended, and now I'm just gonna go in, do my little tap, 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 and look up. And start my creases from there. So I just tap the bottom and look up, and that's where I'm gonna cut my creases. See, and I'm just gonna go in, clean it up, and fill it in. And this is the point where you decide what shape you wanna do. So basically where the concealer is where there's gonna be glitter. So decide how you wanna finish the outside. You can follow your eye shape. Some people wanna just do the first half. It's totally up to you. I'm just kinda gonna figure it out as I'm going. All right, so this is pretty much the shape I'm gonna go for, and I'm gonna blend the edges a little bit with makeup. With eyeshadow. And I'm gonna go in with my shimmer first and then add glitter on top. All right, so I pretty much got my shimmer shades down, and now I'm gonna go in, apply my glitter glue and my glitter, and finish my beat, and we out of here. Of course, do under eyes after, but you know. Listen, one thing I can tell you about applying glitter on your eyes, guys, it is not a pretty sight. It's a mess. At least it's a mess for me. Until I figure out how to do this in a beautiful way, y'all gonna have to see the mess, okay? Okay, y'all just gotta get this mess, because the glitter is going everywhere, and I ain't gonna sit here and cut it out in front. This is what it is. Be prepared. If you know a better way, please tell me, okay? Glitter's on my brush, packing it on. Disclaimer, try not to get this in your eyes. Glitter is not good in your eyes, guys. I had this teacher one time in beauty school. He was so mean. I don't know. I feel like he just hated me, but whatever. That's another story for another day. But basically, he told me, like, I used to wear glitter on my eyes all the time. He was like, oh, you're gonna get glitter stuck in your tear duct. And this is after I had been wearing glitter on my eyes, like little glitter lip glosses and putting it on my eyes and stuff like that, and just glitter and sticking it to lip gloss. And I was like, damn. And it really made me like not ever want to put glitter on my eyes again. Moral of the story is, don't listen to people. Do your own research. Somebody trying to scare you out of doing something that you like doing, F them. All right, I'm taking a clean brush. Since we had that powder down there, the glitter should wipe away nice and clean like. See, if we wouldn't have had that powder, all that glitter would have been sticking to our face and we would have a mess, even more of a mess to clean. I have the Juvia's Place Saharan 2. I use the blue and green out of here, mint in blue colors. I'm just gonna go in and do a little under eye action to kind of, you know, even things out. Because I'm a firm believer, if your top is fancy, you gotta have something on the bottom too, okay? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on some mascara before I put on my lashes so that I get the full effect of black lashes. I was gonna do blue lashes. This girl named Millington Beauty on Instagram made some blue lash, not this girl, a lash technician, a lash artist named Millington Beauty on Instagram made a pair of blue lashes for me. But I feel like it's gonna be drowned out on this look. Like you won't be able to see it. So I'm just gonna stick to black lashes. About to pop these little bad boys on and keep it moving. All right, guys, so I pretty much have my glitter cut crease down, as you see. I'm using Juvia's Place foundation sticks today. This is the shade Cameroon. So I switch between Cameroon and Namibia. Namibia and Cameroon are like my close to my complexion, but one has like a green undertone and one is like a more orangey base. And I feel like me personally, I'm kind of like a more orangey base, but sometimes like when I put the orangey base on my orange skin, it just gives it like too much warmth. So I do like to use the green sometimes to cancel out the warmth. It just depends on the warmth. Well, I'm saying it like that, but it just depends on like how my skin is doing. So I just feel like as a melanated person, my skin does like change, like depending on like how moist it is, if the sun is shining. Like it's just so much that goes on like with melanated skin that it's like, it's a beautiful thing. It just lets you know that we're living beings and that everything in our body is just constantly changing. But yeah, especially with like makeup, I change between colors, foundations, brands all the time just because it's not always one that I stick with, and every time it's like, you know, black eye, that's what it is. So as you see, compared to here, it's definitely like a greener undertone. This is the Cameroon. The Namibia is the one that is a little bit more warm. So you might want to consider that if you're somebody that's close to my complexion, or you're doing makeup on somebody close to my complexion. If they have like a lot of redness in their skin, maybe from tenderness, soreness, pimples, acne, then you would go with something that has a green. You would go in with something with like a green undertone just to kind of so you would go in with something with a green undertone to kind of balance out the redness. It's all about, you know, learning your colors, color tones, color wheel, color theory, that kind of thing. But yes, we about to do this beat real quick. I'm about to just come back finished because your girl gotta go. I gotta be somewhere by 2 o'clock and it's like 1:15 and I'm like, yeah. So let me hurry up and do this beat and I'll catch y'all on the way out. All right, guys, this is the final look. This is her with the glitter cut crease. Nice little ombre lip, little blush, little fairy glow on the side. You peep, you peep. Yes, guys, and this is my Blue Baddie unit. You can always check this out on my website, www.leilanislove.com. You already know that I design custom wigs. If you guys want to order a custom or if you want pre-designed wigs, feel free to go on my website, check out what I have, or I have a wig customization form you can fill out, and that way you can design exactly what you want and take it from there. So yeah, I just hope you guys have already subscribed to my channel. Make sure you hit that like button, okay? Share this with friends that can slay a look like this, okay? Because I always need wig models, brand ambassadors, things like that. So yeah, sorry for the shaky camera, guys, but I don't have it on my tripod because I'm about to head out the door. I'm super late, and I just want to say I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, peace and love.